At the moment, we have raised the admin service. In order to log into the system, you must create a user with the admin role. Let's create our admin open Postman and create. OK. Let's log into the admin panel. Fine. We've logged in. And we were redirected to the page of all users. Let's take a quick look at how Yii2 is assembled. The main assembly file is located along the path, backend/web/index.php. Here the main core is connected. Debugger and environment constants. The main configs are connected. A damper is also connected. It is needed to dump the state of this section of code. Let's see how we can dump the code and keep track of the state. Let's dump all the connected configs and find out what we have in the admin panel. We write a dump and pass a tracking variable. Go to the browser and see the result. We have received the entire list of configurations installed at the moment. So, let's pay attention to the main things. 1. Databases. This is where the databases for the general and the logger are connected. 2. Logging. 3. Modules. Here we have the opportunity to watch the debugger. Also create modules and parts of code through Yii. 4. Global access, access by roles to controllers. Let's now jump into the code and see where our configs are located. Let's go to admin/common/config/mainlocal.php. Here we connect the database. We store all constants in the environment file that we set up earlier. Let's remember. Let's go to the backend config. Open main.local.php. We see the connection of auxiliary modules for development. Let's see where we can find them. Let's remove our dump. And open a browser. 1. Debugger module. Always appears at the bottom. We can expand it and see a lot of information about this page. Attached files are stored here. Database connects. Memory usage. Loading time. And various other things. 2. Yii module. Let's follow the link. Used to generate code. As you can see, we can generate parts of the code. This makes development easier in general. If you're unfamiliar, I'll leave links to learning the module as homework. Let's go to the backend config. Let's open main.php. 1. URL manager. Let's see how we can manage routing. We see that the root of the site leads to the table of users. But we can easily fix it. Let's redirect to the log table. We need to specify a controller and an action. Now we will enter the root in the input line. And we see us redirecting to the log page. Next, let's change the access role. We can deny access to the controller very simply. By setting the parameter. As you can see, we closed access. You can find the full list of features on the official website. Let's see where the login page is located. Let's go to the browser and log out. All routing starts in the controller. Let's go to the controller and find signingcontroller.php. We see the action login method. Layout, we define a template with styles included. Layouts are located along the path, backend/views/layouts. Open login. Adding styles. And loading content. A model is an object that communicates with the database and does all the work with the database. View, this is an HTML markup template with final styles. Now I will demonstrate how it all works.